Binary operations, identity property. So in this lesson, I'm going to look at the identity property. Given a known empty set S, which is closed under a binary operation star, if there exists an element E, a member of set S, such that A star E is equal to E star A equal to A, for all A member of S, then E is called an identity element or a neutral element in S under the operation star. The neutral element E, if it exists in S, is always unique, or an identity element or an identity is a number added to or multiplied by another number such that the number does not change. So when we talk about identity property or an identity for short, it means a number that is added to or multiplied by another number such that the number does not change. So in this case, 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. What is that number that when added to 2 will still give you 2? So that number is called the identity. And also, so in this case, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 0 was added to 2 to get 2. So 0 is an identity of addition. 3 times 1 will give you 3. So which implies that 1 is an identity of multiplication. In an operation, an identity is represented by the letter E, which combines with another element to give the same element as the result. So A star E is equal to E. So that's what identity is. Identity means, from our definition, an identity or an identity element is a number added to or multiplied by another number such that the number does not change. You still can get the same number. So A star E, if it's identity, then it must be equal to A. It must give you A back. B star E must be equal to B, or it must give you B back. C star E must be equal to C, or it must give you C back. So when you have to combine two elements in order to find the identity element, e.g. A star B equals to AB plus 3B plus 4, always substitute the second element with E. So this second element here, you put your E. So once you do that, it becomes, instead of A star B here, it becomes A star E. So remember, the rule is AB. So where you have B, you substitute it with E, or you replace it with E. Same thing here. So anyway, you see B, because this here it was A star B, so you have A, B plus 3B. So now that you substituted letter B with E, so our function will become E plus 3, E plus 4. So always substitute the second element with E. In that way, you'll be able to get the identity element or the identity under that particular operation. So let's take some examples. So let star be an operation on the set R of real numbers defined by A star B equals to A plus B. So find the identity elements. So select the identity elements with E. So let's say the identity elements with E. So now our rule. If we must get the identity element, then we must substitute the second element here with E. So A, so it was A star E. So our A is A, our B is E, our B is now E. So A plus E. But you know, A star E is equal to E. You know from our definition of identity elements that identity element is, or an identity is a number that is added to or multiplied by another number to give that same number. So A star E must give you A as the rule of identity. So now this A star is equal to A, so you put A this of A star E here, so it's equal to A equal to A plus E. And the next thing, so since we want to get the value of E, we need to eliminate A from here. So E is equal to E minus E, so E is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is the identity. There is the identity element. And let's see. An operation is defined on the set R of real numbers by A operation B. E operation B is equal to AB over 3 for all A and B elements of R. Find the identity element. So select the identity element B. Let the identity element be E. So A operation B is AB over 3 again. A operation E. So E substitutes for B. So that will give us E over 2. It's a but E operation E is equal to A. So this will take the place of this expression here. So say A equal to B over 2. So next to multiply 2 by 3. Because we want to make E the subject of the formula. Multiply 2 by 3. So this will give us 2 times E over A over 2 times 2. 3 1 so 2E equal to EE. So E is equal to okay, we write true by E to make the subject of the formula. So E over A is equal to 2E over A over 1, A over 1, A over 1, A over 1. So E is equal to 2. So therefore, the identity element is 3 over 3. The operation star on the set Q of rational numbers is defined by A star B. A star B equals to A plus B minus 1. For all A and B elements of Q, find the neutral element in Q under this operation star. Neutral element means the identity element. So select the neutral elements. And the neutral elements be E. So from here, E star E is equal to E plus our B is E. So here we have B with 1 to E, A plus E minus 1. So, but from our rule of identity, the property of identity element, just like the property of commutativity states that if A star B is equal to B star A, that means that the operation star is commutative. So for there to be an identity element, that means E star E must be equal to E. So this A star E will be replaced by E because it's equal to E. So but E star E is equal to E. So E is equal to E plus E minus 1. We want to make E the solid formula. So first thing, bring every other thing to this side. So A will come here, minus will come over here. So E is equal to E. This one will come over to become minus. This one will cross over to become plus. So E is equal to E minus A is 0 plus 1. So E is equal to 1. So therefore, the identity, therefore the neutral element, still the same thing. Whether neutral or identity is still the same thing. Therefore the neutral element is under star is 1. The operation star on a set R of real numbers is defined by x star y. X star y is equal to 2x plus 2y minus 1 over 2. For all x and y members of R, find the neutral elements in R under star. Select the neutral element, which is also the identity element. Select the neutral elements in R and the star e. So we replace our y with e. The x star e is equal to 2x, and e will be 2e minus y over 2. But x star e is equal to x. So x is equal to 2x plus 2e minus y over 2. So we'll cross multiply, or we'll say multiply through by 2. Minus 1 minus y is minus 1. Multiply through by 2. So this will give us 2x plus 2e minus 1 over x times x. X is 1, x is 2. X is 1, 1. 2 times x is 2x plus 2e minus 1. So since we try to look for the identity element, which is represented by the letter E, we're going to make E the subject of the formula. So to that, every other thing from here will be eliminated. So 2x will come to this side of the equation, we'll cross this sign and turn negative because it's positive here. Minus 1 will cross the sign, and then when it gets here, it becomes positive because it has to cross the sign. And any sign that crosses it will change to the opposite sign. So 2x minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2e. So 2x plus 2x minus 2x is 0. So 2e is equal to 1, and e is equal to 1 over 2. So therefore, the initial elements are under star is 1 over 2. Number 2. An operation star is defined on the set of real numbers by x star y. X star y is equal to x plus y minus 2xy minus 2xy. Find the identity elements. Let the identity elements be e. X star e is equal to x plus e minus 2xe. So the but x star e is equal to x. So that is x is equal to x plus e minus 2. Okay, basically e comes for x. 2ex. Now we need to come to the side. Remove from here, x minus x equal to e minus 2ex. So x minus x is 0. Also e minus 2ex. We factor e out. E is 0. 0 is equal to e 1 minus 2x, and e is equal to, so divide both sides by, divide through by 1 minus 2x. So 0 over 1 minus 2x over e 1 minus 2x over 1 minus 2x. So this will cancel 1. So e is equal to 0 over 1 minus 2x is 0. So therefore, the identity elements is 0. And the element is 0. An operation O is defined over set of real numbers by x. Operation y equals to x plus y plus x plus y. So find the identity elements. Let identity element e. So x operation e, x plus e plus x squared e. Now but x operation e from the property, from identity property, x operation e is equal to x. So put x in place of x operation e. X equal to x plus e plus x squared e. So let's bring x minus x equal to e plus x squared e. Is 0. Factor e out is equal to 1 minus x squared. So divide through by 1 minus x squared. We have 0 over 1 minus x squared e 1 minus x squared over 1 minus x squared. So e is equal to 0. Therefore the identity elements is 0. Number 2. If z is a set of integers and star is an operation defined by a star b, a star b is equal to a plus b plus 1 on z, find the identity element. So let the identity elements be e. So e star e is equal to e plus e plus 1. So but a star e is equal to e. So e is equal to e plus e plus 1. So a minus b is equal to e plus 1 is 0 plus e plus 1. Since you're making e, since we are looking for the value of e, we make e the subject of the formula, so this will be there. To do that, we subtract 1 from both sides. 0 minus 1 is equal to e plus 1 minus 1. You cancel, so e is equal to 0 minus 1, so e is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the identity element is minus 1.